everybody. In today's episode, we're going to talk about an animal, an incredible animal that has captured the imagination of people all over the world for centuries. It is an animal that is not only majestic and powerful, but also intelligent, emotional and social. Yes, we are talking about none other than the elephant. Elephants are the largest living land mammals on the planet, with African bush elephants being the biggest of them all. They can grow up to 13 feet tall and 26 feet long and weigh up to 6 tons. That's bigger than a blue whale. Despite their massive size, elephants are surprisingly agile and can run up to 25 miles per hour. Elephants have a variety of distinctive features that make them easily recognizable. Their most prominent feature is their trunk, which is actually an extension of their nose and upper lip. The trunk is extremely versatile and is used for a variety of purposes, such as breathing, smelling, touching, drinking, cleaning, and even communicating. Elephants can use their trunk to pick up objects as small as a coin or as large as a tree branch. They can also use it to spray water and dust on themselves for cooling and cleaning purposes. Another distinctive feature of elephants is their large ears, which are used for hearing and also for cooling the body. The ears are also used for communication, as elephants can signal their emotions and intentions by flapping or waving their ears. Elephants also have tusks, which are modified incisor teeth that grow continuously throughout their lives. The tusks are used for display, defense, and for obtaining food and water. Not all elephants have tusks, however, as only male Asian elephants and female African forest elephants typically develop them. Elephants have thick grey skin that is similar to that of a rhinoceros. The skin is loose and folds over their body, which helps protect them from the sun and insects. It also helps them to regulate their body temperature. Elephants are herbivores and have a diet that consists of grasses, leaves, fruits, bark, and roots. They typically eat between 300 and 350 pounds of food each day. Elephants are social animals who live in groups called herds. Herds can vary in size, but typically consist of related females and their young males. Male elephants are typically solitary or live in groups of bachelors. Elephants are highly intelligent animals with excellent memories. They are known to recognize themselves in the mirror, which is a sign of self-awareness. Elephants also have excellent spatial memory and can remember the location of water sources and food. They also have great emotional intelligence and are capable of experiencing a wide range of emotions, including joy, grief, anger, fear, and love. They are also very social animals and spend a lot of time communicating with other elephants. They communicate using a variety of sounds, including trumpets, roars, rumbles, and screams. They also communicate using their ears, body language, and scent. Elephants are polygamous, which means that males mate with multiple females. Male elephants will compete for the right to mate with a female in estrus. The gestation period for elephants is around 22 months, which is the longest of any mammal. A female elephant can only give birth to one calf at a time, and the calf will stay with the herd for up to 2 years. Elephants have a lifespan of around 60 to 70 years in the wild, and up to 80 years in captivity. Now let's talk about the habitat of elephants. Elephants are found in a variety of habitats, including grasslands, deserts, forests, and swamps. They prefer areas with plenty of vegetation and water sources. However, they are highly adaptable and can survive in a wide range of environments. Now, let's talk about the elephant's role in the ecosystem. Elephants are considered to be a keystone species, which means that they have a significant impact on the ecosystem in which they live. They play an important role in seed dispersal and plant regeneration. As elephants move through their habitat, they consume a variety of plants and then excrete the seeds in their dung. This helps to spread the seeds of plants throughout the ecosystem. Elephants also help to maintain the health of forests by clearing pathways and creating openings. This allows sunlight to reach the forest floor and helps to promote the growth of new plants. Elephants also dig for water using their tusks and trunks, which creates water holes that other animals can use. And now, unfortunately, it's time to talk about the threats that elephants face. One of the biggest threats to elephants is habitat loss. As human populations grow and expand into elephant habitat, elephants are losing their homes and their ability to find food and water. Another major threat to elephants is poaching. Poachers often target elephants for their ivory tusks, which are highly valuable on the black market. This has led to a significant decline in the elephant population. Elephants are also threatened by human-wildlife conflict. As elephants move into human-dominated areas, they can cause damage to crops and property, which can lead to retaliation from humans. This can include being shot or poisoned. And now let's talk about what we can do to help protect elephants. One way we can help is by supporting organisations that work to protect elephants and their habitat. There are many organisations doing important work to conserve elephants and their habitat and provide them with the space they need to thrive. We can also help by reducing our own carbon footprint. Climate change is a major threat to elephants, as it is causing changes in the availability of food and water. By reducing our own impact on the environment, we can help create a healthier planet for elephants and other wildlife. We can also help by educating ourselves and others about elephants and the threats they face. The more people understand about elephants and the challenges they face, the more likely we are to take action to protect them. Let me tell you about one organisation that is doing amazing work to save elephants. Sheldrick's David. Sheldrick Wildlife Trust is an organisation that was founded in 1977 by David and Daphne Sheldrick. The organisation is dedicated to protecting and conserving elephants and other wildlife in Kenya. One of the most well-known programmes of the Trust is its Elephant Rescue and Rehabilitation Programme. The programme rescues orphaned and injured elephants and provides them with the care they need to survive. The Trust also works to protect elephants in their natural habitat by working with local communities to reduce human-wildlife conflict and by supporting anti-poaching efforts. The Trust has been instrumental in the conservation of elephants in Kenya and has helped to increase the elephant population from a low of 16,000 in the 1980s to over 35,000 today. And here's a fun fact about elephants. Did you know that elephants can swim? They are actually very good swimmers and can cross rivers and even oceans if necessary. And now I want to hear from you. What is your favourite thing about elephants? Have you ever seen an elephant in person? If so, what was that experience like? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching this episode about elephants. I hope you learned something new and that you will help us protect these amazing animals. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and join our mission to make the world a better place for both people and wildlife. Until next time, goodbye.